Back pain. Try these stretches and exercises for women. Welcome to today's video. If you're a woman struggling with back pain, you're not alone. Studies show that over 60% of women experience back pain at some point in their lives, whether it is from long hours at work, sitting too much, carrying kids, or simply age-related changes. The good news: you don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership to find relief. In this video, I'll show you the best stretches and exercises that can help reduce back pain, improve flexibility, and strengthen your core and spine. These moves are simple, safe, and effective, perfect for doing right at home. Before we begin, remember, always listen to your body. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. These exercises are for gentle relief, not pushing yourself to extremes. Why women experience back pain. Back pain in women often has unique causes. Hormonal changes, fluctuations during periods, pregnancy, or menopause can affect joints and ligaments. Lifestyle factors. Long hours of sitting at a desk, poor posture, or even carrying heavy bags can strain the spine. Weak core muscles. When abdominal muscles are weak, the back takes on extra stress. Lack of flexibility. Tight hips and hamstrings put pressure on the lower back. That SY combining stretches for flexibility and exercises for strength is the most effective way to reduce pain and prevent it from coming back. Gentle stretches for back pain. Relief. Let's start with 3 simple stretches you can do daily. 1. Child's pose. 1 minute. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the mat. This yoga stretch gently releases tension in the lower back and hips. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Tip: focus on deep breathing as you stretch. 2. Cat-cow. Stretch. 1 minute. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, cat pose. Repeat slowly 6 to 8 times. This increases spinal flexibility and reduces stiffness. 3. Seated forward fold. 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched straight. Bend forward gently, reaching for your toes. Keep your back straight as you lean forward. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat twice. This stretches hamstrings and relieves lower back tightness. Do these stretches every morning or evening to release muscle tension. Section 3. Strengthening exercises for long-term relief. Now that we've stretched, let's add 4 exercises to strengthen your back and core. Strong muscles. Less pain. 1. Glute bridge. 10 reps, 2 sets. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 seconds, lower slowly. This strengthens glutes and lower back muscles. 2. Bird dog exercise. 10 reps each side, 2 sets. Start on hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and left leg backward. Hold for 3 seconds. Return and switch sides. Improves balance and strengthens core plus spine stabilizers. 3. Wall sit with back support, 30 seconds, 2 sets. Stand against a wall, feet hip-width apart. Slide down until knees are at 90 degrees. Keep back flat against the wall. Strengthens legs, glutes, and lower back support. 4. Side plank, 20 seconds each side, 2 sets. Lie on one side, elbow under shoulder. Lift hips, forming a straight line from head to feet. Hold position while breathing steadily. Great for obliques and stabilizing lower back. These exercises help build strength, protect your spine, and prevent future back pain. Section 4. Daily tips for women to prevent back pain. Exercises and stretches work best when combined with healthy daily habits. Try these tips. Mind your posture, whether sitting at work or standing. Keep your shoulders back and core engaged. Take breaks. Don't sit for more than 30 to 40 minutes without stretching. Use proper support. Invest in a good chair with lumbar support, or use a small cushion behind your lower back. Strengthen your core. Add 5 to 10 minutes of core exercises to your routine at least 3 times per week. Stay active. Walking, swimming, or light yoga helps keep your back healthy. Sleep. Smart. Use a medium firm mattress and sleep on your side with a pillow between your knees. Quick 10-minute routine. If you're busy, here's a quick daily routine. Child's pose, 1-min cat-cow, 1-min glute bridges, 10 reps. Bird dog, 10 reps each side. Side plank, 20 sec per side. Seated forward fold, 1 min total time. Yiku just 10 minutes, but your back will feel more flexible and supported throughout the day. Back pain doesn't have to control your life. By combining stretches and strengthening exercises, you can ease pain naturally and improve your posture, energy, and confidence. Which of these exercises are you going to try today? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips designed for women. And remember, small daily habits create big, lifelong changes. Until next time, take care of your back, because when your back is strong, you are unstoppable.